In this video, I'll guide you through how to get an invisible name on Steam. If you're looking to give your profile a unique and mysterious appearance, using an invisible display name is a fun way to stand out. The process is quick, and in just a few minutes you'll know exactly where to make the change and how to save it successfully. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If you're not already signed in, click the Sign In button and enter your account name and password. Take a moment to make sure your login information is entered correctly before continuing. Once everything is ready, click Sign In and you'll be taken to your Steam homepage. After you've logged in, look toward the top of the Steam window where your profile name appears. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select View My Profile. This will bring you to your public profile page, where you can see your avatar, achievements, game library, and other information that is visible to you and your friends. Next, locate the Edit Profile button and click on it. This section contains all of your profile customization options, including your display name, profile summary, avatar, and other personalization settings. The setting we're interested in is the profile name field. Instead of entering a regular name, you'll be using a special Unicode character that appears blank when displayed on your profile. This creates the effect of having an invisible Steam name. Since not every Unicode character works the same way, you'll need to use one that is recognized as invisible by Steam. You can find a suitable Unicode character from a reliable online Unicode reference before returning to the profile name field. Once you've copied the appropriate character, paste it into the profile name field in place of your current display name. Double-check that the field contains only the invisible character and no extra spaces or visible text, as even a single visible character will prevent the effect from working as intended. After making the change, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Steam will apply your updated profile settings immediately. Return to your profile page to confirm that your display name now appears invisible. If it doesn't look quite right, you can simply return to the Edit Profile section and try another compatible Unicode character. And that's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you can give your Steam profile a distinctive invisible name that stands out in a subtle way. If you ever want to switch back to a normal display name, simply edit your profile again and enter the name you'd like to use. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!